And it demonstrates that, yes, narcissism and humility, two traits that are often seen as opposites and contradictory, can, when combined and integrated maturely, create a really solid foundation for innovation and effective leadership. So, this study was led by Yuan Zhang, David Waldman, and a couple other colleagues. And Yuan Zhang specializes in East Asia organizational behavior and leadership. And then David Waldman is a leadership authority from Arizona State University with deep expertise in executive psychology and organizational outcomes. And their research in this study was conducted across 63 different Chinese companies in a variety of industries. And this choice of cultural context is particularly meaningful for the study and for its implications. And the reason is that, at least according to this study, the East Asian cultures, especially those influenced by Confucianism and Taoism, have a much more common dialectic thinking. And that means that their worldview embraces contradiction and fluidity and the idea that opposing qualities can, in fact, coexist in a single identity. Contrast this to the Western ideals that is going to tend to prize consistency and linear thinking. The Chinese philosophical traditions emphasize harmony, yin yang, strength and softness, so on and so forth. So, in this setting, the authors thought it would be far less unusual for a leader to be perceived as both confident and humble, or bold and self-reflective, in terms of humility and narcissism, and therefore an effective place to conduct their study. So in this study, the authors explore how these traits that are normally seen as opposites interact to influence firm innovation. And this matters because innovation is a key lever for business survival, organizational survival, and it's a competitive advantage in modern economies. So the leader that can integrate both narcissism and humility stands to have a huge competitive advantage next to their peers.